Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen broth from scratch. We will begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients, including dried kombu, shiitake mushrooms, and fresh aromatics. Next, we will prepare a robust dashi base, which is crucial for that authentic umami taste. Then, we will gently simmer all the components to extract every bit of delicious flavor. Finally, we will strain and season your homemade broth to achieve a truly perfect result. The dashi base is the heart of your ramen broth. Start by soaking 20 grams of dried kombu in 1 liter of cold water for about 30 minutes. Then, add 10 grams of dried shiitake mushrooms to the same water. Slowly heat this mixture on the stovetop, ensuring it does not boil until it reaches 60 degrees Celsius. Remove the kombu at this point, then continue to gently simmer the shiitake for another 10 minutes before carefully straining the liquid. Now, let's build more depth of flavor. In a separate pan, sauté 1 medium chopped onion, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and a 2-inch piece of sliced ginger until fragrant. For a richer broth, you can also add about 200 grams of chicken bones or pork bones and brown them slightly. Combine these sautéed aromatics and bones with your prepared dashi base. Allow this mixture to simmer gently for at least 2 hours, or even up to 8 hours, for maximum flavor extraction. The final steps involve refining and seasoning your delicious broth. Carefully strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve, ensuring no solids remain. Gently press on the solids to extract every last drop of flavorful liquid. Now, it's time to season. Start with about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of salt. Taste the broth and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding more soy sauce or salt until it perfectly suits your personal preference. Enjoy your homemade ramen broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.